Today we're talking about what is project scheduling. This specific whiteboard session is for someone who is just new to project scheduling or new to project management. There is so much to talk about with project scheduling, and it's so important to deliver your project on time. But I want to talk about an overview of the main components just to get you started. So project scheduling is a process. It's an act of creating your project schedule. So there are three main steps that you want to take when you're creating your schedule. The first one is determine all the work that there is to be performed to build and deliver the product for your project. That can include so many different areas, so you want to take the high-level view and keep breaking it down in work packages. The second one is determine who needs to perform that work. What resources do you need? Are they employees? Are they outside contractors? Are they vendor partners? Sometimes there are union labor, and you have to consider, are they available? You want to make sure there's not a strike period if it's union labor. You want to consider things like availability in holidays or vacations, but you want to also consider, are there specific requirements or specific subject matter experts that you need? And then when are you going to bring them in? Are you going to bring them in for the entire project or just a specific time during the project? You also want to look at how long will it take to perform the work. So the way you get that information is you take the work and you have someone estimate how long it's going to take to do that work. And there are different formulas that you can use to get the estimates, but you want to be sure to have the people who are going to be performing that work to make those estimates. So there are a couple of tips to remember. So the first one is to include all the work associated with delivering the project on time. Number two is you want to include activities, the deliverables or the actual work products that are going to be delivered, also the milestones, and any planned start dates and end dates. So this is what you'll use to build a schedule, and again, it's a tool that's used for measuring where you are in the project. Ideally, you do this in an online software tool. By doing that, it can be real-time, it can be online, that different members of your team can go in and access. They can collaborate. They can also help you in determining when you look at the estimates and make sure that all the work has been identified. So it's very important to keep that online in real time. So if you need a tool that can help you with your project scheduling, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.